Hi, friends from the Latino Chamber of Commerce. My name is Carla Colin. I'm the president of the chamber, and we are here with a couple friends. But one of them is going to give us information that is very important, and then we're going to do this all over again in Spanish, as you already know. So if you prefer to watch this recording or to watch this interview in Spanish, please check the next video that we are going to upload. The information of our guests is going to be on the description of the video, so you can contact them and ask for their questions. And I want to make sure that we start with welcoming our friends from Connect for Health Colorado. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to introduce yourself, and some people got to meet you during the Feria del Tamal we had on October 26th. So one of our judges that had the hard work to decide which one was the best tamal is here. So thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, genuinely one of the best jobs I have had yet, being a tamale judge. So thank you so much for having me. My name's Jesselyn Hampton. I'm the Senior Manager of Public Affairs and Outreach at Connect for Health Colorado. I'll talk a little bit more, of course, about what Connect for Health Colorado is and how it can be a resource for you. But some of the passion that I bring to this work is that I was raised by small business owners, and we did not have health insurance my entire childhood. And it really did affect some of the decisions we made as a family, right? People always ask me why I was a swimmer, and it's because my parents figured that was the sport I was least likely to get hurt in and need to go to the hospital because we didn't have health insurance. So I'm very passionate about connecting small business owners and entrepreneurs to that really important health coverage so that we can take one more thing off your plate. It's one less thing for you to worry about.
Thank you so much, Ashlyn. And just for our audience, we're going to have a whole webinar about Connect for Health and what they offer. This is just a short introduction and interview with our friends from Connect for Health. But if you want to learn more, we're going to have it. And it's also going to be bilingual. We're going to have it in English and Spanish. So stay tuned because we're going to be announcing it these weeks. So thank you so much again for being here. And yeah, my first question is exactly that. What's Connect for Health? How can we learn more and know about Connect for Health and what you offer?
Yeah, so Connect for Health Colorado is the state's official health insurance marketplace. So when the Affordable Care Act passed, states had the option to use the federal program or to start their own program. So in true Colorado fashion, we chose to do our own thing, and Connect for Health Colorado was created. So our mission is to increase access, affordability, and choice for individuals and small businesses purchasing health insurance here in Colorado.
Perfect. That's great. Yeah, it's always Colorado taking the lead on doing things our own way. So that's
That's
good.
right.
Yeah. And then my next question is who can sign up with Connect for Health? I know you mentioned business owners and employees, but who exactly can sign up with Connect for Health?
Yeah, great question. So our customers tend to be folks who are entrepreneurs. So they're either self-employed or maybe they have a small business. Maybe they're working for a small business that can't quite provide that employer-sponsored insurance. Maybe they're part-time, so they don't quite qualify for those benefits. Early retirees, right? Or folks who have maybe done some consulting before they turn 65 and can get Medicare. So basically, anybody who's not getting health insurance through their job, through Medicaid, which is the state program, or through Medicare, which is the federal program for people over the age of 65, can come to Connect for Health Colorado to purchase an individual or small group health insurance policy.
That's great news because I'm already thinking about us as a nonprofit. We are so small. We are only a team of three, and we were only a team of one not too long ago. That it would be a great option for us to connect with you guys and learn more about the options because we don't offer health insurance for the Latino Chamber staff, and I can imagine all the nonprofits and the organizations that are in the same position that we are. So that's great to know. So how does Connect for Health Colorado help make health insurance more affordable? Because that's the big question, right? How do we make it affordable for employees and employers?
Absolutely. So through Connect for Health Colorado, there is financial help available. And in fact, we are the only place where you can get any type of financial help for the cost of health insurance. So that comes in the form of tax credits, most likely. That's going to lower the monthly premium that you pay in order to have that health insurance. And then folks under a certain income may also actually get discounts on their health care. So discounts on their copays, their deductibles, that money you have to pay when you actually go seek care, in addition to that monthly premium that you pay. So again, we're the only place where people can apply for financial help. There is no income cap, but it does depend on factors such as your income and your household size. So not everybody qualifies, but right now, 81% of our customers on Connect for Health Colorado are receiving some form of financial help. So maybe you've taken a look at us in the past, you didn't see any financial help available to you. The laws have changed. Come back in, give us another look. Let's see if we can get you a tax credit to make that health insurance more affordable.
That is great. And it's great to hear that there has been changes. And maybe when we checked a couple years ago, we couldn't afford, or we didn't have any qualifications for these credits, but now it's worth checking. And I really want to say that I'm very grateful for you and Heidi to be here, because I know it's busy time for you guys. It's open enrollment. It's that time of the year where everyone is trying to figure out their benefits for the following year. So thank you so much for being here. And my last question is, how does a business owner sign up with Connect for Health? Who do they need to contact? How do they do these?
Yeah, great question. So, health insurance can be complicated. And when you add things like tax credits and getting it for your employees, that can feel even more complicated. And so, my main message is you do not have to go this alone. We have a statewide network of experts like Heidi who can help you every step of the way. Take a look at your small business, how many employees, what their incomes are, and help you decide what's going to be the best path forward, what's going to be the most affordable, and what's going to be the best option for you. Those experts like Heidi will walk you through every step of the process from the application to the enrollment, and will also be there to support you, through billing and those types of things. And then once the year's up, they'll be there to support you again when you need to renew your insurance. So I really recommend to all of our small business owners to start working with somebody like Heidi. Have somebody in your corner as a resource who can be your go-to for all of these health insurance questions. And I do want to touch on something you said because it's important. There is a time-bound element here. Yes, this is our busy time of the year because it's open enrollment. This is why we're so grateful to the chamber for having us so that we can talk to you all, because there is a time-bound element to health insurance. You can't go snowboarding up at Copper Mountain, break your leg, and sign up for health insurance on the way to the hospital, right? That's just not how it works. So it's really important that we meet those deadlines and that you all can get into health insurance during the open enrollment period. So that's why we're here today. And again, just so grateful for the collaboration.
Definitely. Thank you so much for your time today. And thank you as well to be open to go more into details about what Connect for Health can offer to employees and employers. And like I said at the beginning, I'm going to put on the description of this video, you're going to have the information where you can find more about if you qualify, if you want to connect directly with a person, if that makes it easier. There is always a website, but definitely connecting with a person one-on-one is a lot better. And also, we're going to have a webinar next week on Friday the 13th. You're going to be able to watch it live on Facebook, or we are going to be sending the recording to those that sign up, and it's going to be available on our YouTube channel so you can learn more about Connect for Health and how to contact and what they offer and all of the details that we cannot cover during these short interviews. But Jaslyn, thank you so much for your time today, and thank you so much for dedicating time to the Latino community. We are very grateful for Connect for Health and for having you here.
Thank you so much.